this video we look at the 5 kingdoms into which all living organisms can be split. And we saw in the classification video that a kingdom is the largest of the divisions of classification. The 5 kingdoms are as follows. We have the Prokaryotes, the Protoctists, the fungi, the plants, and the animals. Prokaryotes include the bacteria and the archaea. Archaea are often found in extreme environments like hot springs or salt plains. Prokaryotes are uniquely unicellular. Sometimes they can be found living in groups, but each individual cell is responsible for all of the life processes, unlike multicellular organisms which have specialized tissues and cells. Prokaryotes are very small, up to 100 times smaller or 1 million times smaller in volume than eukaryotic cells, which make up the other 4 kingdoms. And prokaryotes do not have a nucleus or any other internal cell membrane, so they won't have a mitochondria, chloroplast, or endoplasmic reticulum either. The kingdom of the Protoctists includes algae, amoebas, many parasites, including pathogens like Plasmodium, which is the parasite that causes malaria. Like prokaryotes, Protoctists are unicellular, but unlike prokaryotes, are eukaryotic. And because they're eukaryotic, they have a nucleus and they have other membrane structures like ribosomes or chloroplasts on occasion. They have very varied structure, and some of them will have chloroplasts, some of them won't, some of them have cell walls, other ones won't, some have a flagellum, other ones don't, etc. But they're all in this group because they're unicellular, eukaryotic. The 3rd kingdom are the fungi. And the fungi contains yeast, it contains molds, it contains mushrooms. And fungi can be unicellular, as in yeast, or multicellular in the case of molds and mushrooms. And they're eukaryotic, which means they have a nucleus, they have mitochondria. They do not have chloroplasts because they aren't producers. Only plants are producers of the remaining 3 kingdoms. They have a cell wall, and the cell wall is made from a substance called chitin, which is a carbohydrate modified with some nitrogen. The 4th kingdom are the plants, and plants are multicellular eukaryotes. They contain the mosses, the ferns, the conifers, and the flowering plants. And they have a nucleus, they have chloroplasts, they have mitochondria. They have a cell wall made from cellulose, and because they are producers, they need chloroplasts, and the chloroplasts allow it to capture light energy and use this light energy and transform it into chemical bond energy in glucose and other organic molecules. The final kingdom are the animals. Animals contain invertebrates and vertebrates and various phyla within those. And like plants, they're multicellular and they're eukaryotic. Unlike plants, they don't have a cell wall, and they don't have chloroplasts because they can't produce their own food. They're all consumers.